Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make zucchini pasta, and we are going to use a nettle pesto on it. Zucchini pasta with nettle pesto. Welcome to Gut Feelings, the channel to support you to become your own healing expert so you have all the energy to bring your gifts into the world and to share this knowledge with others. My name is Peggy Schirmer from peggyschirmer.com, and let's jump right into it. How do I make zucchini pasta with nettle pesto? Well, of course we need two ingredients, zucchini and nettles. And what you're also going to need is a spiralizer. I have this awesome tool here. I don't know if you can see that it's already used. It's very small. I love it. It's from a masterclass. I'm going to put you a link down there below. I had several spiralizers and so far this one is the best. So once you've done the zucchini noodles, I recommend here to use these are pretty small, so I would use 3 of these. So either 2 large zucchinis or 3 small ones. So make the noodles first and then you make the pesto and just put the pesto on top. Here's what goes into the pesto. So of course nettles. I have here 2 handfuls of fresh nettles. You can also use dried nettle leaf if you can't get any fresh nettles. However, I always recommend to get it fresh if you can. I give you a link here for a video that I recorded on how to harvest fresh nettles and where to find them and what is important to know about them. But if for any case you can't get any fresh nettles but you still want to do the pesto, no problem. There is loose nettle tea which you can use for that. It's basically just leaves dried and cut up. They also still contain a lot of minerals, so you can still harvest the benefits of nettles. I put you a link there to give you an impression for the product that I recommend and that I'm using when I can't get any fresh nettles. So 2 handfuls of fresh nettle leaves into the blender. That's the blender. I love that blender as well. And then we're going to juice half a bunch of celery. This is going to be the liquid for the pesto, and it's also going to give a lot of flavor and a lot of saltiness. Celery contains a lot of cholesterol salts and mineral salts which help to rebuild your stomach acid, which are awesome for your liver, help to really flush out the toxins from your system, and they are killing viruses and bacteria. So this food should really be part of your daily diet. I wasn't a big fan either, but once you know how to use it well and how to incorporate it into your daily diet, it's much easier to eat. You're just going to learn to love it. Half a bunch juiced into the blender together with the nettles, and 1 clove of garlic. And then if you use the spiralizer here, you often have some cut up ends, like these here, for example. They can go in there as well, so you don't throw them away, you can still use them here. And you have, of course, the beautiful spiral. Look at these, aren't they beautiful? I just really like to touch the food. And then after this is done, after we mix it all together, I add 1 tablespoon of tahini, which I basically just stir in after the procedure. Because if not, it's gonna just stick up the whole blender and we're gonna lose a lot of the material. So first in the blender, the rest of the zucchini, the nettles, the celery juice, and the 1 clove of garlic. Here we are. This is the pesto. And what I'm doing right now, I'm gonna mix this pesto with 1 tablespoon of tahini. What the tahini does is that it gives it a bit more creamy texture, and it's also going to be more filling because it's 60% fat and 20% protein, so you don't want to use too much, but 1 tablespoon is fine. You're going to see the consistency changes already a bit. And then guys, the procedure is pretty simple. You just put the nettle sauce, the nettle pesto on top, just mix it together. And voila, that's it. Bon appetit! If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'd love to welcome you to our Gut Feelings community. Just press the logo and you're looking forward to more delicious, raw, healthy, body-friendly recipes, and also everything you need to know to become your own health expert and start having the energy to bring your gifts into the world out there and shine your light brightly. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.